Hello from?
Loyola Beach. How do you say it?
Oh my god.
Loyola? Loyola?
Hello from?
San Diego.
Yeah. This isn't coffee.
Makes your head spin.
We cute as hell.
Take it in. Some kind of magic. Dizzy as a new dawn to
So we are in San Diego. I think today's Saturday? Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Today's Sunday. Oh boy. So we drove down Friday. Brad worked a full day and then we left at about 4:30. So we didn't get here until pretty late, about like 9:30.
We got an insomniac with eyes wide shut, and we got everything we need and then a little too much. I know that you're starving for something you can't touch. Would you be honest with me right now? There's something in the undercurrent, I can feel it coming up. Don't you wanna feel it taking over your sense?
We've just been relaxing. So this is actually our second trip in a row where we've taken a very different approach, and by we I mean me, to traveling, and we're just kind of taking it easy and relaxing. I would say mostly because of COVID, so it's hard to feel
Plans, go places.
yeah, I was gonna say feel comfortable going places. A lot of places aren't even open, so kind of traveling low key, which is really nice. Our Airbnb is this cute little slice of beach heaven that's down the block from the beach, so we can essentially park the car in the assigned spot that we have and then walk everywhere. We're staying in Ocean Beach, which is my favorite part of San Diego. We've stayed in Ocean Beach a few times. We've stayed in Pacific Beach. We've stayed in downtown. Yeah, downtown was the very first place that we ever stayed in when we visited San Diego. And I like rounding back to Ocean Beach. It's kind of a small beach town vibe. And I think especially now, you can't beat the fact that you can park your car and just walk everywhere. So there are grocery stores, there are restaurants that we can get takeout, the beach, everything is right here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me. I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving,
What are you doing?
it's got me moving my
I'm gonna shop.
feet. Greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever next to me. Let's not waste time or take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break.
A lot of birds. Pay attention. Hey. Hey, pay attention to me.
It's my worst nightmare as Brad is just soundly sleeping. All these birds. They're all over the place. Going to watch the sunset. Our first sunset of the trip. On the beach.
It's cold. I'm cold.
It's frozen. Ah, there we go. Look at how beautiful. Look how beautiful he is. Yeah.
Whether it's for better or for the worse, as long as we're together, we'll make it through this. I knew that it was
Good morning.
Morning.
We are walking to get breakfast. We're walking to get takeout breakfast to bring back to our Airbnb. Our Airbnb is freezing for some reason, but it's so much nicer outside.
How cold is it getting at night?
I don't know, I think it's like 40, maybe. Our Airbnb is like 30. It's freezing, so this is beautiful. What'd you say?
You got something behind your eyes, the way you're talking, it's a cheap disguise. We were made to chase the light, but you got saved on a moonless night. Get free tonight, set it all on fire.
We are in La Jolla. Hi, babe. Right now we are at Children's Pool Beach. We're going to try to find some sea lions, and it is pretty packed, which is why
Before the red sun rises, get free tonight, set it all on fire.
So we're trying to be positive. I am trying to be positive. There are no sea lions. Zero.
We saw two.
We saw two in the water, but normally I think we're at La Jolla Cove. This place is normally hopping with sea lions, and there's none. And we're spoiled because look at how beautiful this is. But I'm so sad. Zero sea lions. Normally all over there, they're all over the place, yelling at each other. Oh, they're so cute. That is the scientific name for these birds. Look at it. So with the tiniest amount of research, sea lions are not going to be here over the winter. Who would have known? We would have if we actually did the research. We have only been to San Diego during the summer months. Not just the summer months, but in warmer months. So we have always seen sea lions here. So we just assumed that they were always around, and they're not. So we saw two in the water from far away.
This whole trip was a waste.
The whole trip to San Diego was a waste.
No lie.
We are at our last favorite place in San Diego. Not our last place. What? We are currently visiting the last of our favorite places in San Diego. We're at Sunset Cliffs. So today we are just going to go watch the sunset on the beach again, which is kind of like a little tradition that we have every time we go away. What are you looking at?
Not the sun, the stuff flying through it. See the sunlights?
It's very beautiful over there. Like I said, this is a very magical backyard. And that's it. We go home tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll catch you later.
Skies for the